Welcome everyone to my channel, that is Fast and Easy Maths, which is dedicated to give you tips and tricks related to mathematics. So students, today I'm going to show you a trick with which you will be able to add any of these kinds of mixed fraction in matter of seconds. Okay, really these kind of tricks are very helpful for any kind of mathematical problem. Okay, but first things first, let's first understand, or let's first see if this problem was given to you and how you would have solved it traditionally. The first things what we would have done is that we would have converted both of these mixed fractions into improper fractions. So that would have given you 2 into 4, which is 8, plus 1 would have given you 9 upon 4, plus 4 into 3, which is 12, plus 1, which is going to get you 13 upon 3. And then you would have taken the LCM, because 4 and 3, neither of them go in each other's table. So your LCM would have been 4 into 3, which is 12, and 9 would get multiplied by 3, which is going to get you 27, plus 13 would get multiplied by 4, which is going to get you 52. So now your answer would have been 979 upon 12. Okay, now as you know that this is also an improper fraction. So whenever you have an improper fraction, now if for those of you who do not know what is an improper fraction, meaning if your numerator is greater than denominator, in that case you convert that improper fraction into mixed form. Okay, so here again you would end up dividing 79 by 12, and that would give you 6, this is 72, and 72 when taken from 79 you're going to left with 7. So your final answer would now be 6, 7 and 12. This would have been your answer for this particular addition. Okay, so now like I told you that how can you do this addition in matter of seconds. So here very quickly all you have to do is you just have to add these numbers first. So 2 plus 4 would get you a 6, and then you simply add this fraction, which is 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 3. So now many of you all must be thinking, acha, idhar bhi I am doing a fraction addition, then what is the point? See, if you look over here, adding this kind of a fraction is very difficult, 27, 52. Anyways, in mathematics, when the numbers become bigger, addition, subtraction, division, all of this become a bit time consuming. So here this can be done orally, okay, because here both the numerators have 1. So what do we get is 6, and here I am going to get 7 upon 12. Why 7 upon 12? Because 12 will be my LCM. The numerators will get multiplied by what? 3 and 4. So 3 plus 4 would get you a 7. Okay, and that is exactly the answer which we got through this long process of working. Okay, so I hope you understood that this can be done in simple steps and really wasting too much of energy. Okay, so if you like this method, then please go and hit the like button, because that will be giving me a tremendous amount of encouragement in doing these kind of videos. Also, for those of you who are new to my channel, at the end of this video I'll put up a DIY and you will let me know your answers in the comment section. I will let you know whether you are right or wrong there itself. Okay, so now over here I want all of you to take a pause this video and just do all of this orally. You will see that you can do this within a minute, trust me. Okay, so here again 4 plus 3 is going to get you 7, and here since 9 and 5 both of them do not go in each other's table, my LCM will be 45, and here 5 plus 9, because 1 and 1 both the numerators are still 1, so I'll just have to add 9 and 5, which is going to get you 14. So this is my answer for the next particular addition of mixed fraction. Similarly over here 14 plus 2 will get you 16, and here again since 3 and 5 both are prime numbers and no, obviously they are not going in each other's table, so here my LCM is 15, but here I will have 5, and here this numerator 3 will get multiplied by 3, cross multiplication, right? So 3 into 3 is 9, plus 5 will get you 14. So here your answer changes to 14 upon 15. Okay. Similarly, over here, now 7 plus 1 is going to get you an 8. And here, again, we are doing a cross multiplication. So, 4 into 2 is 8. 8 plus 9. So, that is going to get you 17 upon 12. Okay. Now, please understand. Over here, if you look closely, see, this is where you need to always pay attention. If your final answer has a fraction which is improper, so here again you will divide this or convert this into a mixed form. So let's do this. 17 and 12 can be written as 1s are 5 and 12. Okay, and you had an 8 over here, so you will add this. So your final answer will be 9, 17 upon 12. Please understand, while adding, you will just add this particular quotient with this number. Okay. I hope you all are getting the point. Okay. So now, coming to this one, we will get 12 plus 10 is going to get you 22. And here your LCM will be 110, and you are adding 77 plus 60. So this would now become 7 and 137 upon 110. So now again over here is also a mixed fraction into picture. So we will now have 22 plus 1, and when you take 110 from 37, you are left with 7, 27 and 110. So your final answer will now become 23, 27 upon 110. Okay. So now time for your do it yourself. Okay. So now please tell me what should be the addition of 5, 2 by let's say 9 plus 7, 8 by 13. Do let me know your answers in the comment section. So that's it for now. I will very soon see you in the next video. Bye.